There she is. Punch it. Yeah. I have no idea.
I don't know. It just wants to cavitate. Oh, dude, I can't. It won't even get up on plane.
Bring it back. There's probably water inside. A little bit of water and it will not go on plane.
Yeah, I can believe that. Oh, dude, she won't go anywhere. Crap. Oh, here we go. Oh, she hits the waves really well, too.
It's kind of fun.
This thing's like, it's just relaxing. It's not crazy or anything, but I'm gonna get a really close one.
God, this is really good.
Oh, damn it.
What are you doing?
I was trying to get it to...
What are you doing?
Hold on, hold on. She's coming out. Just give her a sec.
We're running my boat into...
Hey, she's robust. She's robust. Ah, she's dead.
Did you just break my boat?
No, it's dead. That's why I couldn't turn.
I think you just broke my boat.
Now it's dead.
Definitely just broke it.
Hold on. Limp it back. Oh, you know what I didn't think of? Dude, it's probably hot. We just freaking ran it for like, what? That was probably like 2 minutes straight, and it's like not really cooling. It's probably actually hot.
The motor is definitely overheating.
Oh, dude, that's probably why I couldn't do anything. I'm like, wait, what's acting really funny? Oh, dude, we probably just screwed the... Yeah, look at, now it's behaving. The motor's overheating. We should probably bring it in.
Yeah, I'd bring it in.
It's probably gonna die. There's a turtle poking its head up. You see that?
Where? Oh, yeah. Right over there.
Oh, dude, this thing's probably overheating so bad. That's why it's acting weird. This thing's awesome. She's probably just hot.
It's
Oh,
probably
it's gotta be
so
so hot.
Yeah, it's gotta be so hot.
You just like this?
Yeah, you take that clip off.
Bend it backwards or forwards?
Forward.
Okay, and then what?
Squeeze it and pop it open.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, dude, there's so much heat coming. There's a ton of freaking heat. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, the freaking...
Yeah, that's
oh, dude, the mount is hot. Ah, it's really hot. The ESC is just fine. Oh, dude, it's a freaking... Dude, it's so hot. Touch the mount.
Yeah, the ESC's fine.
No, the ESC's happy.
Oh, man.
Oh, dude, that...
She's warm.
Yeah, that's in bad shape. That thing's in bad shape. We could not be doing that. I was wondering why I was handling so weird. I'm like, dude, this thing's handling like crap. Yeah, a little bit freaking overheating the poor thing. I mean, Jalopy needs a break.
Poor Jalopy.
So it was probably, the motor's probably pulling too much energy and started temp cutting.
Yeah.
Dude, like it feels like a freaking like hot pocket over here, or pocket warmer, whatever you call those hot hands. Damn, dude, it's hot. Oh, all right, we should probably put this on.
Yeah, probably.